In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice messages from listeners. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your audience's recordings and how to review them confidently so you can bring the best moments into your show. First, open Spotify for podcasters and head to the episodes section. This is your hub for everything tied to your published and drafted episodes, and it's the fastest way to view tools connected to each one. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app or website for the smoothest experience, and give it a moment to fully load your show's dashboard, especially if you have a large back catalog. Next, choose the episode you want to work with and tap Voice Messages. This takes you straight to the inbox designed for that episode's audience submissions. Think of it as a dedicated mailbox where your listeners drop in their thoughts, questions, and feedback. If you manage multiple episodes or series, selecting the specific episode helps keep messages organized and relevant to the topic you covered there. If you don't see the voice messages option on a particular episode, it usually means there aren't any messages yet, or the feature may not be available for that specific release. In that case, pick a different episode to check or revisit later after your audience has had time to respond. Now listen to the messages sent by your listeners. Press play and use the standard playback controls to pause, rewind, or replay anything that stands out. As you listen, pay attention to clarity, energy, and how well the message fits your episode's theme. It helps to jot down quick time codes or short notes so you can easily reference the best clips later. You might also spot patterns, recurring questions, favorite moments, or suggestions that can guide future content or a Q&A segment. If a message includes personal details or sensitive topics, consider how you'll handle that in your show. Always respect your listeners and your platform's guidelines when deciding what to feature. You can also watch for audio quality. If there's background noise, a brief trim point or a gentle fade in during editing can go a long way toward making it sound polished. That's the core workflow. Go to episodes, open voice messages for the episode you care about, and listen thoughtfully. Building a habit around checking this inbox keeps you close to your audience and helps turn casual listeners into an active community. Thanks for watching and happy podcasting.